What's up, YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today for another unboxing video. Right now we are in the middle of a cafe racer build. The goal of the build is to try and build the coolest cafe racer possible for 1,500 bucks. That being said, we're getting a whole bunch of parts in to do this project. And if you saw our Vortex clip-on unboxing or our all balls / MGO 32-inch piece of pipe unboxing, you saw we got this giant box and there was one more thing in it. And that is these Polisport accordion fork dust covers. These are for our cafe racer build. We're hoping they're going to make the bike look sportier. It's also going to help us get rid of some of the chrome on the front end. Packaging is exactly what I expected. Just a bag that's going to keep them from getting dirty. They are rubber, or urethane, so you're not going to damage them in shipping. This is just to keep them from getting dirty. My initial impression of the product is they're probably going to be way too big for what we want. I should probably paid a little more attention when I was ordering them, but we will see if they work and go from there. At any rate, if you want to see any of this cafe racer build, links up here, links in the description. If you're interested in purchasing these Polisport or any other power sport product, reach out to us. We have some of the best pricing in the industry. And yeah, at any rate, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.